In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a booking calendar on Wix Studio. This will enable your website visitors to schedule appointments or services directly through your website, making it easier for both you and your clients to manage bookings effectively. To get started, you'll first need to add the Wix Bookings app to your website. Open up your site in the Wix Studio Editor, which is your main hub for designing and managing your website. Look over to the left sidebar and locate the option that says Add Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a world of functionality you can add to your site. But for now, we're focusing on one particular tool, Wix Bookings. Type that into the search bar, and when you find it, click on Add to Site. This will integrate the booking capabilities directly into your online platform. Once this is added, you'll see a prompt to set up your booking system, guiding you on your next steps. Now that you have the Wix Bookings added, it's time to make it uniquely yours. You'll want to customize the booking calendar page to align with your brand and meet the needs of your business. First, make your way to the Book Online page. You can find it by clicking on Pages and Menu, again on that trusty left sidebar of your editor. Look for Bookings pages, and within that section, identify the booking calendar page. Here's where you'll do most of the tailoring to fit what your clients will see and interact with, so it's important to make it engaging and on-brand. Once you've navigated to the booking calendar page, click on the booking calendar element. This is essentially the heart of your booking operations on the page. Whatever customization options Wix offers here can include changing the color scheme to match your website design, updating the font styles to keep it cohesive with your branding, or adjusting the layout to make it as intuitive and user-friendly as possible. Remember, the easier it is for your clients to navigate and book, the better experience they'll have, which will keep them coming back. As you progress through these steps, think of this process not as merely setting up an operational tool, but as crafting a welcoming digital environment where your customers feel comfortable interacting and making appointments. Every click and choice matters, so take your time to explore all the settings and configurations Wix Bookings offers. Be sure to do a thorough preview and test to ensure everything works smoothly from the visitor's perspective. There you have it. By following these steps, you can set up a professional and effective booking calendar on your Wix site. Engage your clients with ease and elevate their booking experience, while also streamlining your own scheduling and administrative processes. Thanks for watching, and happy booking!